Hello, all of you beautiful Stardust people, and welcome to my channel. Today, in the one-line drawing series, I would like to show you how I recuperated some paint and what a wonderful thing came out from just me doodling around and playing with colors. I only had two leftover colors from a painting that I did for Easter, and I said, why let this all go to waste? Why not try to doodle around a little bit? I only had black and yellow, and look at the wonderful thing that came out. What I'm painting right now is the symbol of a cross, but is very personalized and abstract and symbolic. If you send it to someone with the occasion of Easter, to someone who is Christian, he would soon know that it's a cross or the symbol of a cross. Then I continued doodling around and did some Easter eggs. I just love filling my brush with color and laying it down. This is the thing that I love most in painting, just laying down tons of color. I don't care what color it is, but today the color was really beautiful. And as you can see, I'm trying to pull out the egg shape. I continue with what I wanted it to be, a profile, but at the end it turned into an egg also. I was just playing around and trying to see what will come out of this. What I had most was black color, so at the end I just finished everything with black lines. I just want to remind you that all of this was done to not let go to waste the painting, the colors. So I used every little bit of it. Here's another tiny egg, and at the moment when I was doodling, I didn't have a clear image in my head of what it would be or how I would transform it, but here it is. I transformed it into two greeting cards. One of them I chose to lay black underpaint, and in this regard I just want to remind you to please go and visit my Patreon page. I have lots of great things there and lots of goodies for you if you are interested, of course. Interested in sustaining my work. And now let's go back to my artwork. The piece of art that came out of my doodling. I cut out the pieces and then glued them to the piece of paper that will become the greeting card, and formed a whole new image, a brand new image of the things that I cut out. Of course, as you can see, these are symbolic for Easter eggs. I just wanted to show you the beautiful shimmering that the thick layer of paint let. And if you like my results, just think about the beautiful things that you can do. Just catch this occasion and go doodle away. Testing, trying out new things and experimenting, because you never know what it will come out. Thank you very, very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe in case you didn't already, and let's see each other at the next video. Love you, kisses. Bye bye.